And this is Halloween after surgery. A little out of it. Can't really walk very well. Kind of sits around and plops. He's gonna probably puke on us. There's Halloween. Hi, girl. You wanna try to walk? Huh? Hi. Hi, little girl. Hi. Having a little walking skill problem from the drugs. Having problems hopping. Oh, God. Oh, baby. Baby. Oh, stomach's bad. Here's the cat trying to walk again. Hi, Halloween. Hi. Had a little too much to drink, huh? Yes, a little slow. Well, you're hungry, I know. We will feed you tonight after 10. I'll get you some water, though. Here, girl. Got some water for you. Here. Some water for you if you want.